Hi friends, today we're going to finish our math lesson 13 and Bodie is sitting here to help us. He is hoping that Mr. O is going to drop a cookie, but maybe Mr. O dropped the cookie and it went under the couch. I don't know. But I need you to get out your math book and turn to page 301, which is where we left off. And we're going to do 2 pages in our math book today, and I'm going to read it to you. So number 1 says Priya has 9 skateboard stickers and she has 9 bike stickers. How many stickers in all? So you know, circle your clue words, in all, right? That means that we're going to add. And they have a picture for you of 9 cubes right here. So you can even check it, touch each one and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So those could be her 9 skateboard stickers. But then she has 9 bike stickers. So underneath it, if you make an organized picture, you're going to draw 9 more cubes. And you know this is a doubles fact, right? Hopefully you watched the video link that I sent to your parents about the fun doubles wrap so that we can remember our doubles facts. So now we have 9 orange cubes and we have 9 of the cubes that I drew. And so you can count to get your total. Oh, Bodie is moving into our picture. Bodie, 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 there's nothing there. It's okay, there's nothing there. Yeah. He's not happy, he wanted a cookie. Okay, so now when you count, you could count by 2s, right? Because this is gonna be an even number since it's a doubles fact. So I could draw a line and go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Then you need to fill in the numbers on the bottom. So 9 plus 9 more. So if you already did it, just check your work. You can check your work. Equals 18. Don't forget to put the answer here where it says 18 stickers. Okay. The next problem says find 8 plus 3, and they set it up with a 10 frame for you. And I can see they put 5 dots in the top and then 6, 7, 8. So they put 8 dots in our 10 frame and we need to add 3 more. Now remember, when we've been learning this strategy this week, we've been putting the 3 more outside of the 10 frame because that picture right there shows you 8 plus 3, and then we want to make a 10. So we're going to move these dots in to fill in the empty spaces in our 10 frame. And then you look and you see, how many do I have left over? I've just got 1 left over. So we made a 10 plus 1 more. So figure out, what is that? 10 plus 1 more. And you could even write it over here. You could write 10 plus 1 equals, and write your answer. Check it, check it. And then you know that is 8 plus 3. It's the same answer. Okay, we were just using a 10 frame and making a 10 to solve that problem. The next problem says find 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. So you could make your 10 frame, right? You could put the bigger number in your head and hop up. If you have your hundreds chart, you could put your finger on the 8 and hop up 6 hops. You could decide. I'm going to draw my 10 frame right here, since that's one of the strategies we've been working on this week. And if you already did your problem, just watch, right? And you're going to check your work. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When you make your 10 frame, always make sure you actually have 10 squares, because if you don't, you're going to get the wrong answer. So 6 plus 8. Now I'm going to put the bigger number in the 10 frame, so I want to make 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And now I want to add this 6. So underneath it, I'm going to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now we're going to fill in. I'm going to actually put this circle in here and this circle in here. and then I'm going to underline how many I had left over. So now I have my 10, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. So I have 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. So figure out what is 10 plus 4 and then circle the correct answer. You have 3 choices. The choices are 14, 16, and 18. Okay, check your work. Check your work. I'm going to turn the page. The next page says, 6 cats are playing and 7 more cats join. How many cats in all? So I'm going to circle in all. That's our clue word, right? And you can decide what strategy you want to solve this problem. Because I'm noticing that the 6 and the 7, they're very, very close to a doubles fact, isn't it? It's close to a doubles fact. So if I did 6, here's my 6 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then underneath it, 7 more cats join in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look how I lined up my picture. You really do want to make your picture be organized so it can help you see it, because what I see when I look at my picture is that this is a doubles fact plus 1 more. So I'm going to draw a box around the doubles fact plus 1 more. So here we have 6 plus 6 plus 1 more. I'm going to write that math problem underneath it. 6 plus 6 plus 1. Because that is one of the strategies that we've learned, right? In our previous lessons, we learned that. So if you think about, oh yeah, that doubles wrap, what was 6 plus 6? And you go, oh yeah, that was 12. But maybe that number didn't come to you. You could still count it. You could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 plus 1 more would be 13. Check your work and see if you got the right answer. Okay, so I'm looking at the next problem. The next problem says 7 plus 8. And I'm thinking, oh, that also is super, super close to a doubles fact, right? It's close to 7 plus 7. So I can do the same thing. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my first number. And right underneath it, you really, really want to line up your math problem. You're going to put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now it really looks to me like a doubles fact plus 1, because here's your doubles fact and there's 1 more sticking out. So let's write the problem that would go with this. So I'm going to connect these and count by 2s. Well, first let's write the problem. So this is 7 plus 7 in the box plus 1 more sticking out. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 1 more hop, you write down what it makes, and then check it. Check it on mine and see if you got the right answer. Okay, 1 more problem for today. So this problem says 7 plus 9 equals what? And then it says circle the math problem that is like it. So we might want to solve all of these problems, right? We might want to write a little equal sign next to the choices down here. So 10 plus 5 more, you can put 10 in your head and count up 5 and write what number you get. And then check it. Now put 10 in your head and count up 6 hops and write what number you get. And check it. Now we have this problem right here, 7 plus 9, and I could do my 10 frame because that's not super close to a doubles fact to me. It looks more like, oh, I should make a 10. So I'm going to put the bigger number in the 10 frame, which is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 9. And then I need to make 7 outside of the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I'm going to take this one on the end and put it in the box to make it be the 10 frame. So there's 10, and I'm underlining how many were left. Let's count how many were left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 10 and a 6. Oh, and look, that was one of the choices. So 7 plus 9 equals 16, and 6 plus 10 equals 16. So this is the correct answer. The correct answer. That is our math for today. Everybody say bye, Bodie. Bye, Bodie Bear. Bye for today.